Hi everyone, welcome to this video about non-woven crop covers. Non-woven crop covers are a type of fabric that is made of fiber that are bonded together without weaving or knitting. This makes them a very versatile fabric as they can be made in variety of thicknesses and weights. Non-woven crop covers are used to protect crops from variety of elements including frost, wind, hail, insects, pests, diseases. How do non-woven crop covers work? Non-woven crop covers work by creating a barriers between the crops and the elements. These barriers helps to protect the crops from damages and helps to create more favorable environment for growth. Now let's talk about what are the benefits of using non-woven crop covers. There are many benefits to using non-woven crop covers, including increased yields. Non-woven crop covers can help to increase crop yield by protecting crops from damage and creating more favorable environment for growth. Earlier harvest. Non-woven crop covers can help to accelerate crop growth, leading to earlier harvest. Improved quality. Non-woven crop covers can help to improve the quality of crops by protecting them from damage and pests. Reduce use of pesticides. Non-woven crop covers can help to reduce the need for pesticides by protecting crops from pests and diseases. How to use non-woven crop covers? Non-woven crop covers can be used in variety of ways depending on the specific needs of the crops and the climate. Some common methods of using non-woven crop covers include row covers. Row covers are placed over rows of crops to protect them from frost, wind and hail. Tunnels. Tunnels are created by draping non-woven covers over hoops to create a protected environment for crops to grow. High tunnels are larger versions of tunnel that can be used to grow crops year-round. Now let's go to the conclusion. Non-woven crop covers are a versatile and effective way to protect crops from variety of elements. They can help to increase yields, accelerate harvest, improve quality and reduce the use of pesticides. Thanks for watching. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos.